Hello, in this video we'll show you how to remove and replace the intercooler on Opel Astra J. In order to get access to the intercooler, first we need to remove this plastic grill. It's held by a couple of Torx bolts, and then we need to remove the metal plate. If the video is useful, please like and comment on the video and subscribe to the channel to see more videos like this. Next, we're going to remove the bolts holding the windshield wiper tank. And now we'll start removing the bolts that hold this metal panel. Now that the bolts to the metal panel are removed, we can just lift up this metal panel and put it to the side. We don't need to remove the bonnet cable, just lift it up and put it to the side. Next, we're going to remove this air intake pipe. It's held by one bolt, and then we're just gonna move it backwards and then just try and take it out. Next, we're going to remove the two hoses that go into the intercooler. Next, we need to remove the intercooler. There is one of the bolts that hold the intercooler is right there. It also holds the AC condenser. The other bolt is right there, and then there is another one on the bottom on the other side. In order to get to the bolts of the intercooler underneath, we need to remove this under tray. And now we have access to the two bolts that hold the intercooler on the bottom. The bolts are right there. In order to remove the intercooler, we need to get the AC condenser loose as well. So we're going to remove the bolts holding the AC condenser. There's one bolt here on the bottom that needs to be removed right there. Next, to remove this bolt on top that holds the intercooler and the AC condenser as well. Next, we need to remove the AC condenser fan. The fan is held by two nuts that we need to remove right there. Also, this electrical connector. We'll start by removing the electrical connector. And now we'll remove the two nuts. And now we can remove the AC condenser fan. There's only one bolt left that holds the AC condenser. It's right there. We're gonna remove it. And now the AC condenser is free. Now that the AC condenser is free, the intercooler is also free, and we can move a little bit the AC condenser to the side and try and take out the intercooler. And that's the intercooler out. Thank you for watching.